Hello guys, good morning to you all. So it's early morning in Manali. Today is 30th of January and it's freaking cold over here. The temperature right now is -8 degree. Just wanted to show you the view outside of hotel. And here it goes. It's damn amazing. Damn amazing. So while I was telling you about Shimla is all about man-made beauty, that is good architecture, a socialized place. But Manali is all opposite. It is all about nature, and it's really fascinating. So yeah, thumbs up to this place over Shimla. But there are, as it is a social place, so you tend to get shops and many such things nearby, so you don't have to walk for more distance. But Manali, you have to travel for little far distance, but natural beauty is bap of everything. What's up guys? Good morning. Good morning. Pav? Bread. Hey?
Bye. Good morning.
Good morning. How's the climate in Manali compared to Shimla?
Extremely cold.
Hey, don't say wash यार. यही तो जलने के लिए इधर आए.
जलने के लिए.
Bro, your body is shrinking? Yeah. So bodybuilding competition से पहले इधर आओ. No need of no liquid diet.
Yeah.
So some beautiful breakfast for us. Okay, so whenever you reach any state outside Goa, especially North India, because the fresh water contains a lot of soily material inside this. So even if you boil it, it doesn't get totally purified. So please do carry water bottles from your place, or buy branded water bottles to drink. Never consume even hot water from any outside hotel, because my throat is gone. Shubham was suffering from fever yesterday, and today he just put his finger in mouth and vomited, and he's feeling better. And you got cold? Yeah. See, almost everyone who drank this hot water from hotel, not even cold, normal water, hot water, they got sick, man. So let's see what else. 2 दिन बचे हैं, so we have to make some way. And this thing is hot and will give some relief to my throat, so I'll be preferring to drink a tea. But coffee is better, a full milk coffee. Yeah, so see you guys after breakfast. Okay, yes, this guy is selling kesar for very cheap price. And he's showing us some demo.
इधर मारो, इसके ऊपर मारो. No, इसके ऊपर मारो. No, this one. Yes. अंदर सांस लो. घिसो.
गर्मी हो रही.
हाँ, देखो अब सुन के सर.
ओह,
ये ओरिजिनल का प्रूफ होता है. ऐसा फल.
कितना बोला था?
204 grams.
सॉलिड मारे ना.
हम मार्केट में 1 डब्बा लेने जाएंगे ना, 600-700 से कम नहीं मिलेगा सर. ये देखो, आपको तो ओनली 1 डब्बा बताया. लोग मेरे से इतना लेके जाता है घर फैमिली में देने के लिए, जो है शेयर चलो लॉन्ग टाइम फ्रेश रहता है. फ्रॉम सर.
अरे ओए फोटिंग बनाती हाँ बेस्ट ऑफ लेता
तो एक डब्बा हल्लो करा देंगे.
फोटिंग बनाती.
हेलो
नाका गई.
आप कौन सी सिटी से? 4 ग्राम.
गोवा से.
गोवा.
अरे फोटिंग बनाती आग पुतल्या.
हेलो मम्मा. गोवा में बहुत एक्सपेंसिव मिलता सर.
So we just went to the museum which was aside our hotel. Not worth exploring. Only 10 rupees entry. So it was not regretting. So I'm moving towards Hidimba temple now. Hidimba Devi temple, and see the yaks. They look so fluffy, no? The snowfall, which is like settled, is very dangerous to walk on, because you tend to slip. Okay, there are some games which like normally are held for jatras in Goa. अरे बॉल मारो आपण तो मस्त दिसता. So just hopped out. Photography isn't allowed inside. Temple is made of fully wooden, and towards one side there is like a mountain cut structure, and the other side is made of wood and the clay which has been naturally found in this part. Temple is around 500 years old, but if you look at the structure properly, it looks much of an older structure. I don't think so it will be a 500-year-old. That we have to find in Wikipedia, I guess. Zalare? So we are moving ahead now. We are done with some photo shoot session. So this is like a garden designed by the locals here, and they have provided some props. So they charge you for photography over there. So we can click free photographs in the background provided, and it is kind of good because all area is covered with snow. So we are already on a mall road, and the sun is very bright and little hot, so feeling better. And as we have walked for some around half an hour, feeling good. Otherwise legs were freezed, almost freezed. But distance from there to here was too much, and the road was actually cleared. There was no ice, but still our driver refused to come, where else other cars and all were traveling. Driver can set whole tour off, huh? So better you ask your agent if the driver is from Himachal Pradesh itself, because this driver set our mood off like. So yeah, so that's the view. This is like a main prime area where you can do shopping and all. There are some good hotels also, and as this is my third time in Manali and second time in near Mall Road, I'm not that much excited, but as the upper area was covered with snow, so it was like a good thing, kept our mind diverted from all the stress. This temple full of wood carving stuff looks pretty good. So just went to Sulabh because early morning our pipeline was freezed in the room, so we couldn't unload our stuff. So now we are in hotel. The name of the hotel is South Indian Gujarati Snacks. Gauzy restaurant located in the Mall Road. So it's a pure veg, I guess. So we'll be ordering some stuff, as we'll be eating veg stuff because we are going to Vaishishth temple, well known for hot water spring. So yeah, so I'll be posting from here till directly there. So stay tuned. So we have arrived at Tibetan monastery in Manali. My nose is paining. Nothing much interesting about this place except the architecture and the color contrast with which they have built this monastery. Artworks are beautiful, consists of much detailed work and contrasting colors. इसकी राय हम लेंगे from a very bright artist from Goa, Ramchandra Kurtarkar. So what do you feel about the architecture here?
Architecture is very good. Looks like traditional Tibetan architecture. Very good colors.
These things I have just seen in movies and all. I don't know what they are for. Made up of copper and brass. There is something written like da ma ma. Arey baapre. I can't understand this language, but fun to rotate them. It was damn difficult to drive the car till here because there was too much of a settled snowfall on the roads. So two-wheeler with front wheel drive, for front wheel drive meaning the one for which the power of the engine is delivered at the front wheels, was almost stuck. But our traveler is rear wheel drive, so it was easy for us to travel till the parking lot. So we have to walk some distance till Vaishish temple now. The compared to down area, Mall Road, this area is much like covered with the snow. And yeah, I'll keep posting the interesting things that I find on the way, like this one. Wow, it's huge. It's like a small cafe over here. All the things are made up of cut bark of trees. Looks cool, right? So finally we have made it till the temple. And some sweet music going on. All women are playing this. Mega kitchens of India. Some beautiful langar is been cooked, I guess. Langar महाप्रसाद आम्ही म्हणतात तसे ते लंगर म्हणतात. Some beautiful folk music is being played here. I loved it. You actually get that the devotional feel after listening to this music. So now we'll be going ahead. This place is known for hot spring. Okay, hot spring, where you can take a hot bath, which has been provided naturally, like some thermal. I forgot the term. Geography शिकले आमका विसरलो. Shoes घाला रे परत वाज मरे. This is the main temple, which was covered by some arch outside. So yeah, this one is huge and beautiful, very beautiful. The structure seems to be of stones and wood combined together, but worth appreciating. Here hot spring is located. How's it, man? Okay, let's record this guy.
Very hot, man.
Hot man.
Come on, Sahil.
कितले बरं दिसलं रे. कितले बरं दिसलं रे. कितले बरं दिसलं रे.